Hi guys, it's me again. Today I tell you about my favorite subject at the university. This is English. I like the format of training. We pass it online, but it is very interesting. I also like the teacher herself. I Girim Absalbekovna. You are probably looking and smiling right now, but it really is. You are very kind to each of us. You try to teach us very creatively. It is interesting and pleasant to listen to you. And you are very young and easy to find a common language with. Thanks to you, I began to understand English very well, and I learned to love English. I've always wanted to learn English, watched video lessons, read books, watched TV shows, but none of them were as interesting as your class. We practice more in your class than just reading, and I like that. English has become my favorite subject at my university. Unfortunately, we haven't met the teacher with the grab yet. I'd like to meet you in the audience. It would be much better that way, but you are the best. And in your lesson, you need to turn on the camera. This allows us to see our classmates, at least online. You have very interesting tests, but sometimes difficult, but you always warn us about this. It is too bad that in the second year we will not have English.